In this video, I'll break down my top 5 countertop ovens, my experiences, and which countertop oven I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked countertop oven, and at the end of the video you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best countertop oven and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the ovens, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Oster Convection oven. The Oster Convection oven is an excellent choice for those seeking a versatile and efficient countertop appliance. Its spacious interior can accommodate 2 16-inch pizzas or a whole chicken, making it suitable for various cooking needs. The digital controls offer precise settings for pizza, bake, broil, toast, and defrost functions, simplifying meal preparation. I appreciate the turbo convection technology, which ensures faster and more even cooking compared to traditional ovens. The oven's energy efficiency is noteworthy, using 50% less energy than conventional models. Additional features include a 90-minute timer with auto shutoff, an interior light for easy monitoring, and a removable crumb tray for hassle-free cleaning. While the glass door requires careful handling, it provides a clear view of the cooking process. At number 4, we have the Elite Gourmet ETO4 1510M. The Elite Gourmet ETO4 1510M is a versatile and spacious countertop oven that offers excellent value for its price. With a generous 45-liter capacity, it can accommodate up to 18 slices of bread or a whole chicken, making it ideal for large families or entertaining. The French door design adds a touch of elegance and provides easy access to the interior. This oven boasts multiple cooking functions, including convection and rotisserie, allowing for diverse culinary applications. The temperature range of 150 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit ensures precise cooking control. Its 1800 watt power delivers quick and efficient heating. The included accessories, such as wire racks, baking pan, and rotisserie tools, enhance its functionality. While it may be bulky for some kitchens, its ability to replace multiple appliances makes it a practical choice for those seeking a comprehensive countertop cooking solution. At number 3, we have the Ninja DCT 451. The Ninja DCT 451 double oven is a versatile and efficient countertop appliance that revolutionizes home cooking. With its dual oven design, it allows for simultaneous cooking of different dishes at varying temperatures. The Flex Door feature enables easy access to either the top or bottom oven independently. This 12-in-1 smart oven offers a wide range of cooking functions, including air frying, baking, roasting, and dehydrating. The included smart thermometer ensures precise cooking results, while the Smart Finish feature synchronizes cooking times for multiple dishes. Its spacious capacity accommodates large meals, making it ideal for families or entertaining. The stainless steel construction adds durability and a sleek appearance to any kitchen. Despite its comprehensive features, the intuitive controls make it user-friendly. At number 2, we have the Breville Smart Oven Pro. The Breville Smart Oven Pro BOV 845 BSS is an excellent countertop oven that combines versatility with precision cooking. Its Element IQ system uses smart algorithms to steer power to where and when it's needed, ensuring optimal cooking results every time. The oven offers 10 preset cooking functions, including toast, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, warm, and slow cook. This variety allows me to tackle a wide range of cooking tasks without using my full-sized oven. One of the standout features is the convection setting, which reduces cooking time by up to 30% by circulating hot air inside the oven. The interior is spacious enough to accommodate a 13-inch pizza or 6 slices of toast, making it suitable for small families or couples. The LCD display is easy to read and use, providing clear information about the selected function, temperature, and cooking time. I appreciate the thoughtful design elements, such as the auto-eject wire rack and the interior oven light, which make it easier to check on food without opening the door. The slow cook function is particularly useful, allowing for up to 10 hours of continuous cooking. The oven also comes with helpful accessories, including a 12-inch square baking pan and a pizza pan. At number 1, we have the Ninja DT 551. The Ninja DT 551 excels in versatility with its 10-in-1 functionality, making it a standout appliance for any kitchen. This oven can air fry, roast, bake, broil, toast, and more, providing a comprehensive cooking solution in a single device. One of its most impressive features is the Smart Cook system, which includes a leave-in thermometer that ensures precise cooking by monitoring the internal temperature of your food. The oven's XL capacity is another significant advantage. It can accommodate a 12-pound turkey or fit two 12-inch pizzas, making it ideal for large families or gatherings. The two-level even cooking system ensures that food is cooked uniformly on both racks, eliminating the need to rotate or swap trays during cooking. Speed is a key benefit of the Ninja Prestige Smart XL. It preheats in just 90 seconds, significantly reducing overall cooking time. The powerful convection fan circulates hot air efficiently, resulting in faster and more even cooking compared to traditional ovens. Ease of use is another strong point. The digital display and intuitive controls make selecting and adjusting cooking functions straightforward. The oven also includes a convenient interior light, allowing you to monitor your food without opening the door and losing heat. Cleaning the Ninja Prestige Smart XL is hassle-free, thanks to its removable crumb tray and non-stick interior surfaces. The accessories, such as the wire racks and air fry basket, are also easy to clean, either by hand or in the dishwasher. So that sums up my top 5 countertop ovens I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.